How to duplicate WordPress pages. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily duplicate any page or post inside of WordPress. First thing that you need to do is that you need to go into the plugins section and click on Add New Plugins. From there, we're going to be searching for a free plugin. The name is Essential Add-ons. Simply install and activate this plugin. As you can see, I already have it installed within my WordPress installation. So let me go ahead and navigate into the pages section. So inside here, you will be able to see that an option called EA Duplicator is appearing. So if I click on this, you can see that a copy of this particular page has been created. So let us take a look at the original website. So as you can see, this is what the original website looks like. Now let me go back and let me preview the page that we have just created. So as you can see, this is the preview. So these are identical copies of each other. So the cloning was successful. So this is how you can basically duplicate any page or post within WordPress. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications, and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.